In this video, I'll show you how to archive content in WordPress to keep your site organized while preserving important pages and posts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything on your site. Next, navigate to the plugin section on the left-hand sidebar and click Add New. In the search bar, type Archived Post Status. This is the plugin we'll use to efficiently archive content. Once you find it, click Install Now, then Activate. Activating the plugin enables the archive functionality on your site. Now go to the Pages section in your dashboard, find the page you want to archive, hover over it and click Quick Edit. In the Quick Edit menu, locate the Status option, open the drop-down and select Archived. Finally, click Update. That's it, your page is now archived. This method keeps your site clean while storing content for future reference. Thanks for watching and happy archiving in WordPress.